Hi, I'm Adam, the creator of the Measurrd Smart Scale, and today I wanted to show you the charging dock. Now I know what you're thinking, why does a kitchen scale need a charging dock? Well, it's not just convenience, it's not just aesthetics. Yes, convenience-wise it's always charged, it's easy to grab, it's easy to start using. Aesthetically, it looks great on your countertop, it has a nice little glow to it, so at night it kind of functions like a night light. But there's more to it than that. In fact, there's a little secret too, but as far as precision goes, it's super important. And I think, well, I'm shocked no one has ever done this before or thought of this as a solution. So to explain the way that weight sensors work, they're actually called strain gauges. Now, strain gauges detect strain. They're a metal plate and it bends as more pressure, force, weight is put on top of them. Now, if you were to take your kitchen scale or coffee scale and just throw it in a drawer or put it in your coffee bar area and things get piled on top of it, those strain gauges are being strained. This is going to affect your precision and your accuracy over time. You might find that you need to recalibrate, or you might find that recalibration is just not doing it and it's not in calibration anymore and you're not getting accurate results. We wanted to make sure that if we were going to create a super precise scale, that it stayed super precise. So we wanted to remove all strain from the strain gauges when you're not using it. The charging dock does this. There is no weight being applied to the sensors right now, and it ensures that it is going to continue working super precisely at all times. Now, as for that little secret, the same magnets that hold the Measurrd scale in place also hold a calibration weight. So if you ever do find that you need to recalibrate, there you go. You have a calibration weight. You don't have to wonder, where did I put this? It's lost in my drawer. It's there. It's super easy to use. And if you decide that you don't want the charging dock, which again we advise against, but it charges through normal USB-C. Charging dock works off USB-C. Scale works off through USB-C.